Kaiko requires 30 stitches after drone explodes in his face.
Hong Kong people know Kaiko because of You Are the Apple of My Eye. This movie is big hit in Hong Kong. Today, news reported, he was acting in an upcoming Netflix fantasy series translated as Shaman, when a drone malfunctioned during an action scene, crashing to the ground and exploding in front of him.
Unfortunately, shards from the drone scratched his face, and Kai was sent to the hospital, where he underwent 20 to 30 stitches. Kai's agency confirmed the news, and told reporters the accident seriously disfigured his face.
They revealed that he is focusing on recovery. Artists are not superhuman, they are focused on work and have no capacity for accidents like these. They hope they can work in peace and safety, and his life to get back on track soon. The production company is currently investigating the cause of the accident.
This accident is so horrible. We hope that Kaiko will get well soon. We will pray for you.